This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disabling power to the door to avoid accidental actuation. This protects electronics and prevents movement. Once done, pry off the small plastic cover behind the handle and remove visible screws with a Phillips. You should feel the trim release. Keep pressure low to avoid breaking clips. Next, use a trim pry tool to lift the door panel a few inches and disconnect any wiring harnesses. This exposes the handle mechanism, so you can see what's binding or broken before proceeding. You now have the mechanism exposed, so inspect the connecting rods and plastic clips. These commonly break or unhook. If a clip is cracked, remove it and swap in a new one. Clips are cheap and prevent repeat failures. Once clips are secure, apply silicone spray to pivots and sliding surfaces to restore smooth operation. This reduces friction and future wear. Reattach rods in their original orientation, using pliers to seat the ends fully. Test the handle action manually. If it's smooth, you're ready for reassembly. You finish by reconnecting any wiring harnesses, aligning the door panel clips, and tightening screws. Make sure no wires are pinched. Once the panel is secure, test the handle from both inside and outside with the door open, and cycle the lock to confirm full operation. If the handle still sticks, remove the latch and check for debris or a bent pawl. Clean and straighten if possible. If internal parts are damaged, replace the whole handle assembly. This is usually quicker and more reliable than repeated small repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.